Flowers and Associates Real Estate Investing, helping you achieve maximum returns through real estate. Here's just another project report. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
$12.52 Nicholas, taking care of the flooring, putting the flooring in, making sure that the floor is level. Also, painting the trim and caulking. Painting cabinet. Walls look really nice. Should be completed in about 2 to 3 more days. After we get through with the painting, then all the floor is going to go in. All the floor is going to go in and just transform everything into lemonade. Taking lemons and turning it into lemonade. $12.52 Nicholas signing off.
If you would like to know more about how to receive 3 times the market rent for your properties, check out our free lessons at flowersandassociates.courses.